Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can make your inventory movement approval to manual or auto. So by default, whenever you come on Transact, it remains on auto approval. So whenever you are creating any invoice or challan or you are creating an inward, inventory get updated automatically. But we do have manual feature as well, by which you can very well go ahead and just create the document, and after that you can just approve it, and then it will get added or deducted from inventory. How you can manage it? You need to go in settings module. On your left hand side in the very bottom you will see settings module option. Please click on this. Now you need to go in inventory segment. In inventory segment, in the very bottom you will see default approval. Click on this. So these are list of documents whose through which inventory get updated. If you can see, we have provided activate all, we have provided on invoice, inward, purchase return challan, stock transfer, manual adjustment, b2c invoice. So you can very well just click on the manual segment and you can just deactivate the auto. So now once you will create a b2c invoice in this case, so an inventory approval will go in your inventory, and once you will approve it, it will get added or it will get deducted from your inventory. You can also do one thing. So on our system we do have dual deduction, as on invoice as well and on challan as well. Dual deduction as means, suppose if you are creating invoice and challan both in a sales transaction, stock will get deducted twice. So how you can prevent it? You need to keep one of the approval to manual, like for invoice keep it for manual and for challan keep it for automated. So by doing this, only one time the stock will get deducted. I hope this particular video will be very helpful to you while managing your inventory. Have a good day ahead.